Well, I skipped a few parts. Tore the carburetor apart. There is varnish and dirt all through this. You can see right there and there. This model has no air cleaner. So it must have been a really cheapy model, or when they refurbed it, they didn't put the air cleaner or air filter back in there. Where are we? Right there. But anyhow, I'm going to go clean this. And hopefully I can open up, richen that carburetor just a little bit. Got our genuine Zama part. So let's reassemble this. It's all clean. There's no more varnish left in here that I can tell. If I had the full rebuild kit, I'd probably pull the Welch plugs that are here and clean the main jets, but hopefully cleaning and blowing it out with a little bit of compressed air is sufficient, because this part here was plugged up. So we'll find out. Alright, here we go. Rebuilt, put together. A little fine tuning. As you can see, I got the fuel lines hooked up, but haven't even tried to start her yet. Let's go for it. Full choke. Got fuel in the carburetor. We have life.